In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix 1xbet withdrawal problem. It will be simple to do. Before continuing the video, I will invite you to create a 1xbet professional account by coming and clicking here to registration. Now you will come and click right down here to by email, which will be the full inscription. You will come right up to your promotional code BOTV, whereby entering this promotional code, you will get 300% of bonuses at your first deposit, meaning that if you put an amount of $10, you will receive $30. Continue the video. Now you will come and click on menu. Then from here, you will come and click on your settings right up there. Then from here, you will come and click on withdraw from account. Then as for here, now you will see all the withdrawal funds, be it bank cards, e-wallet, mobile payment, and all the rest. If you see that now you have a problem for withdrawing and maybe it must take time or other case, what are you going to do? You will just go out here. Now you will go down up to customer support, where you will click so as to click with chat with operator, so as to text the assistance of 1xbet, telling them that you have a very big problem and you are facing difficulties on your withdrawal funds. So it is very important for you to do that, because your money must be inside and all the rest. So you must contact the assistance, or also come here to contact. If not only texting them, you can also come here to contact, where all their email address are required, be it partnership requires, finances, support, security department, and even the phone number, so as to help you in your request. And it is simple as that.